Welcome back. Panaji Corporation has taken a resolution to hand over the case of illegal transfer of shops in Panaji market to IAS officers for inquiry. There was heated discussions on this issue in CCP's meeting on Thursday. Commissioner also questioned why corporation's income should be blocked by stopping exhibitions. Few councillors demanded report on illegal shops in Panaji by 31st March. CCP meeting was held on Thursday in Panaji. As the meeting started, some councillors demanded clarification from the mayor about financial crisis of the corporation and loss occurred due to illegal transfers of shops in Panaji municipal market. Mayor Vaidehi Naik refused to discuss the issue as it was not a part of the agenda.
I am not denying that I am going to give detailed discussion for next agenda.
CCP Commissioner informed that as per record, 147 shops of the municipal market are rented out to other persons. Some shops have changed the trade also, where he said this practice had started before her regime.
Mayor is not responsible. Mayor is responsible. Who is responsible? That is different lookup. Who is ultimately responsible? After all, this is public money. 44 lakhs. ही जी अमाउंट डिपॉझिट झाल्या एका सिंगल अकाउंटात ज्याका डिफरंट हेडूय ना अंडर डिफरंट हेड जर मार्केट ट्रान्सफर फी म्हणून डिपॉझिट झाल्या दॅट इज डिफरंट इशू ट्रान्सफर एज पर आमचे काउन्सिल रिझोल्यूशन ओन्ली ब्लड रिलेशनान हो आमचो स्टँड आशिल्लो आणि ही ट्रान्सफर झाल्या ती कशी झाल्या.
Vaidehi informed that any decision regarding regularization of transferred shops will be taken with consent of all the members. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. The barge business is running in losses due to mining ban in Goa. Barge owners are now selling their barges to earn some income. Barge Owners Association President Atul Jadhav said that they have no other option than to put the barges for sale. Association held its second meeting with Milind Naik on Thursday and submitted the data of barge employees.
एक टाइम दोन बाजी विकल्या. They have gone to Sri Lanka, but that is sold to a Gujarat party which has taken. हय डिपेंड आता घेवपाक कोण ना न्ही. There's nobody to buy. Then we have to take a decision. Now that's what we are putting up the problem to the government. That government has to take a view and come out with some solution which is acceptable to everybody.
Government had given deadline till 20th December to the barge owners to submit employees' data.
Tani हमका last day दिला था up to 20th. Now we have also got 130 members. So we have to ask them the details. So we have to ask them the details, collect the details and give it to them. Now if they don't, people who give the details will pass it on to the committee. And committee will forward only whatever is received, they have to give it to the government. Government will take a decision on that.
Reporter Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Omkar Falat. More than 600 Goenkars have been allegedly duped for crores of rupees in South Goa by a company named Shine Multi-Trade India. The company lured the investors with fake assurances of multiplying the investment threefold under a provisional scheme. People claim to have invested almost 30,000 each for a return of 12 lakh rupees within a year. The company fled away with a sum of more than 3 crores. The case has been registered with the Madgaon police. Samir Bhatt reports.
Shine Multi-Trade म्हणून कंपनी येयली कंपनी म्हणजे तेंगे थोडे हे आहले एसोसिएट्स आहले ते आमकां एक प्लॅन इंट्रोड्यूस केलो 30,000 गायल्यार तुमकां 12 lakhs इनिशियली 12 lakhs म्हणून आनी मागीर एट द एंड ऑफ द इयर ते म्हणले प्रमोशनल स्कीम आहली सो आतां आतां गायल्यार तुमकां 12 lakhs मेळटले आनी जानेवारी सावन गायल जाल्यार 30 तुमकां 4 lakhs मेळटले म्हणून आनी अशें करून तेमी ते लोकांक आनी जायते पयशे केले लोकांक जायते पयशे गायले हेतून मेळटा
कितले जाण अफेक्टेड आसा तुमी
इफेक्टेड 600 प्लस आहे आनीक 3 crores इन्वेस्टमेंट आहा लोकांक गेलो
जे आसा न्ही मेमोरंडमाचे ऑन दॅट बेसिस विल रजिस्टर केस and will investigate. Cheating ची complaint आसा, they have been cheated. Recovery is a different part. It's a different part. And you have to approach court for recovery. You will find criminal case will take place.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.